everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to print binary equivalent of an integer using recursion. So let's start this with the program. In the first line, this defines a recursive function called binary equivalent that takes a single argument number. The goal of this function is to compute the binary equivalent of a given non-negative integer recursively. Here in the next line, if the input is 0, the recursion should stop. The function returns an empty string for number is equals to 0. This is the termination condition for the recursive call. Now in the next line, the recursive case, this is the recursive logic for computing the binary equivalent. Here number divided by 2, this performs integer division effectively dividing the number by 2 and terminating the decimal part. And here number percentage 2, this computes the remainder when the number is divided by 2. That is the least significant bit of the number in the binary representation. Here, the function recursively calls itself with number divided by 2 and appends the least significant bit to the string returned by the recursive call. This builds the binary number from the left to right. And now in the next line, this displays a prompt message to the user asking them to input an integer. Here, the int converts the user input from a string to an integer. The converted integer is assigned to a variable number. Now, in the next line, we'll check the condition. If this checks if the user entered number is exactly 0. If true, it prints the binary equivalent of 0 is 0. This is a special case because the binary representation of 0 is 0 and no computation is necessary. Now, in the next line, this checks if the entered number is positive or greater than 0. If true, this calls the binary equivalent number function to compute the binary string representation. This uses an f-string format to print the result. Here, the binary equivalent of number is checks the binary equivalent number. Now, in the else part, this executes if the input number is negative and absolute number converts the number to its absolute value. This calls the binary equivalent absolute number function to compute the binary string for the absolute value of the number, and this prepends to indicate that the number is negative. So let's check this program. I am entering an integer as 12. Hence the binary equivalent of 12 is 1100. So thanks for watching this video.